Have you ever wanted to state your plans in Japanese with, real confidence? Well, today we're going to break down a key piece of grammar that lets you do exactly that. It's a simple but really powerful tool for making your intentions crystal clear.
So just think about it for a second. You've made a decision, your plan is set in stone. How do you actually communicate that firm intention in Japanese in a way that leaves absolutely no room for doubt? The answer is this neat little structure, tsumori da, or tsumori da. This is precisely what you need to express those firm, clear intentions in your conversations. So let's dive into how it works, starting with the most common form.
All right, first up, we have the positive form. This is how you state exactly what you intend to do.
And the formula here is really as simple as it gets. You just take the standard dictionary form of a verb and you add tsumori desu. That's it. That's the whole formula for a clear statement of intent.
Here's how that looks in a real sentence. 私は来週日本へ行くつもりです. This translates to, I intend to go to Japan next week. You can hear it, right? The intention is firm and clear.
Let's look at it one more time. 彼は今日、ジムで運動するつもりです. He intends to exercise at the gym today. See? It's that exact same pattern. You take the dictionary verb and you add つもりです.
Okay, so saying what you will do is important. But what about saying what you won't do? That's where the negative form comes in.
Now pay close attention to the small but really critical change here. Instead of the dictionary form, we use the nai form of the verb. That's its negative form. And then we add tsumori desu. This one simple switch completely flips the meaning.
For example, take a look at this. 私は今日はお酒を飲まないつもりです. I do not intend to drink alcohol today. You can hear the verb there is nomanai, the negative nai form of to drink.
And here's one more. 太郎は来年その会社で働かないつもりです. Taro does not intend to work at that company next year. It's a very clear and direct statement about what he has decided not to do.
And now we get to add a fascinating layer of nuance, talking about past intentions. This form is used specifically to talk about a plan you had, but with the strong implication that, well, it didn't quite work out. For this one, the formula is almost identical to the positive form. We go right back to the dictionary verb, but this time we end with tsumori deshita. That little past tense ending, deshita, is the key.
This example shows it perfectly. 私たちは昨日映画を見に行くつもりでした. We were planning to go see a movie yesterday. The moment a listener hears that つもりでした, they know the movie plan fell through.
And here's our final example for this form. 彼女は朝ジョギングするつもりでした. She was planning to go jogging in the morning. Again, the grammar itself tells the whole story. The jogging just didn't happen. Okay, let's pull all that together and do a quick review. We've just looked at 3 distinct, but related, forms of intention.
So to recap, it's pretty straightforward. You've got tsumori desu for a positive plan, something you are going to do. You use nai tsumori desu for a negative plan, something you're not going to do. And finally, you have tsumori deshita for a past plan that never actually happened.
So if there is one thing you take away from this, let it be this. Tsumori da isn't for some vague hope or a wish. It's the language of a firm, personal decision. When you use it, you're signaling to everyone that you've thought about it and your plan is set.
And to finish, I've got a little challenge for you. Think about your days so far. What was one thing you intended to do but didn't get around to? Go ahead and try forming that sentence in Japanese using tsumori deshita. Give it a shot right now.